Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Alright, so since the 80s I've been doing things with pencils and tape measures that you might not notice, but it makes things a lot faster for me. And this is what I'm doing. I'm taking the tape measure, putting my thumb right there, and then the pencil right there. If you notice, it's right in front of that tape measure. Then I can run my material on this finger. I can adjust it. Now I have choices. So if I wanted to have, like in this case, 24, come over here. And I mark that 24. And I got a straight side right here. So I can take that tape measure and pencil, and I'm not even looking at this other side. But it's hard against the tape measure. It's sliding down this, well, it would be drywall. In this place it's board. So I don't have to pop a line. I don't have to use a straight edge. I can just go right down. And guess what? That saw can't cut that straight. So if you're using plywood like this, I would recommend that you take a little bit of electrical tape or any other kind of tape and wrap your finger up. That way you don't get splinters as you're sliding down that piece of plywood. Believe me, I've gotten a lot of them, even through the tape. So wrap your finger up. Again, I'm going to show you. Come over here close.
Close, okay.
So I'm putting my thumb on this side of the tape measure. I'm holding the pencil right there. So in this case, I'm going to try to go 70 inches. I mark 70. Just like that. I didn't have to go get a straight edge. I'd have to go get a chalk line, make marks on both ends. I just did it like that. It takes time, but you can do that and saves you a ton of time, a ton of hassle. You don't have to go run and go get things. Hope that helps. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.